The world of content creation is about to change forever, and if you're still relying on bulky wireless systems, you are already falling behind. Imagine a professional-grade audio setup, so compact it practically disappears onto your shirt, yet delivers the kind of studio-quality sound that makes listeners think you are sitting in a million-dollar recording booth. Today, we are diving deep in the most anticipated tech reveal of the year, the DJI Mic Mini M3. While the tech industry is buzzing with rumors, we have parsed through the latest supply chain leaks, engineering schematics, and industry insider reports to give you the definitive outlook on why this specific device is poised to disrupt the market. Many creators struggle with the balance between portability and audio fidelity. We have all seen the bulky transmitters that ruin the aesthetic of a clean shot or the lavalier mics that have wires getting in the way of a perfect take. The M3 is engineered to solve these pain points entirely. By utilizing a brand new proprietary signal transmission protocol, DJI is moving beyond the standard 2.4 GHz limitations we have seen in previous iterations. This means less interference in crowded urban environments and, more importantly, a more stable connection even when your subject moves behind obstacles. The leap from the previous generation to the M3 is not just an incremental update. It is a fundamental reimagining of what a miniaturized microphone can do. When we analyze the thermal management systems and the new acoustic chamber design revealed in recent patent filings, it becomes clear that this device is built for endurance. Most users forget that high-performance audio processing generates heat, which can lead to signal degradation. The M3 introduces a passive heat dissipation chassis that keeps the internal digital-to-analog converter cool, ensuring that your audio remains crisp from the first minute of your recording to the very last. We are talking about 32-bit float recording capabilities housed in a unit roughly the size of a thumb drive. This is the holy grail for documentary filmmakers, solo creators, and high-end interviewers who cannot afford a single dropped frame or a clipped audio peak. Throughout this breakdown, we will examine the expected battery architecture, the new noise cancellation algorithms that leverage artificial intelligence to isolate human speech in chaotic environments, and the inevitable integration with the newest ecosystem of mobile and mirrorless cameras launching later this year. What makes the M3 so special is the shift in philosophy from a tool to an invisible companion. The exterior is expected to feature a refined, non-reflective matte finish that is specifically designed to be easily concealed under clothing or blended into dark-colored fabric, a direct response to feedback from professional production houses. But the beauty is not just in the design. It is in the software integration. Rumors point toward a revamped app interface that allows for real-time gain staging and EQ adjustments directly from your smartphone, eliminating the need to physically touch the transmitter once it is pinned. This is a game-changer for solo creators who are their own cameramen and sound engineers. We are also looking at a significant upgrade in the charging case technology. If the leaked reports about the inductive fast charging capabilities hold true, we could be looking at a system that gains 2 hours of battery life from just a 5-minute charge. This level of reliability is what separates the professional gear from the amateur setups that constantly die in the middle of a project. As we look at the competition, specifically from companies that have dominated the entry-level space, the M3's entry price point, as projected by retail leak documents, suggests that DJI is going for a total market capture strategy. They are positioning this not just as a high-end luxury item, but as a standard necessity for anyone serious about their brand. The acoustics are where the real magic happens. By implementing a new omnidirectional capsule that maintains a linear frequency response even at extreme angles, DJI is addressing one of the most common complaints in the industry: the off-axis coloration that makes voices sound thin or unnatural. Even if you turn your head away from a mic, the M3's processing engine is rumored to compensate for that spatial shift in real time, keeping the tone consistent. Think about the implications for travel vlogging, where you are constantly moving in and out of different soundscapes. One moment you are in a quiet cafe, and the next you are walking through a busy market. The M3's environmental awareness features are designed to detect these shifts and adjust the compression ratios accordingly. You no longer need to be an audio engineer to get cinematic sound. You just need a press record. We have compiled these insights from early adopter beta testing reports that were leaked through secure channels, and the consensus is clear. The industry standard is moving toward this level of miniaturization.